Today, I'm making an easy dinner using leftovers that I found in my fridge to make a chile relleno casserole. I have eggs. Here I have leftover seasoned ground meat that I recently used for a recipe video that I did recently for chalupas. I also did a recipe video for creamy poblano green enchiladas, chicken enchiladas, and I had 4 poblanos that I already fire roasted. I roasted them over an open flame on my stovetop. Once they were charred, I placed them in a bowl, covered it with cling film, let them sweat for about 15 minutes, and then I peeled the skin, removed the stem and seeds. And here we are. So let's get started. I'll show you how I put this together. So to get started, in a bowl, I have 2/3 cup of self-rising flour. To that, I'm going to shake in like a 1/4 teaspoon of smoked paprika and a 1/4 teaspoon of granulated onion powder. Give that a mix. Now with the self-rising flour, it already has salt in the mix and baking powder. Okay, whew, that kind of made things dusty. So what I'm going to do now is add 6 large eggs. If you want to be safe, you probably want to crack these in a separate bowl, but I'm just going to go rogue and live dangerously on the edge with this. I'm also adding in I'm adding in 1/2 cup of whole milk. Make sure I get that ratio right. Now you're just going to mix really well. Break up the yolks, give it a mix, make sure you work in all of your dry ingredients. You'll want to make sure this is combined well, so whisk it vigorously to make sure there's no lumps and everything is mixed well. Okay. Okay, so I've chopped my poblano peppers. This was 4 fire roasted poblano peppers going in. And my leftover seasoned ground meat. This was seasoned like taco meat. Let me make sure I get every little poblano pepper. Okay, so Colby Jack cheese. I have some shredded cheese. I'm gonna go in with like 1/2 of this bag, like a cup. Now just mix everything together. Okay. At this point, you'll want to make sure that you have your oven preheated to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. So now, in a buttered baking dish, I'm going to add all of this into my baking dish. I'm going to make sure that's kind of even in the pan here. Now I'm going to sprinkle a handful of cheese on top. This is going in a preheated oven at 450 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, uncovered. Okay, so it has been actually closer to 30 minutes, so maybe like 25 to 30. But look how it's like a deep golden brown cheese crust on top. And see how it kind of puffs up? It's almost like a souffle kind of reaction. So that's what you're looking for. So good. Okay, so here's a better look. Oh, and this is an easy and quick dinner casserole. Chile relleno casserole. I pretty much used a lot of leftover ingredients. It's so good. I hope you give this recipe a try. I hope you like it. And thanks for watching.